Devium is 100% made in America clothing that claims to make long-lasting, stylish clothing. Do they live up to that? Let's find out in this video. So a couple of weeks ago, Devium reached out to me on Instagram and they said, hey, we want to send you some stuff to review. And I said, awesome, but you know you don't get a say in the final video or what I say or my thoughts on it, right? And they said, dope, no problem, we know we make great stuff. And you know I freaking love a company that stands behind their work. So we've been putting it to the test. For those of you that don't know, Devium is an American company and they do everything 100% American made in small batches. And when I say 100%, I mean it. Like everything from their buttons, their zippers, all the little parts that make up their clothing are made in the US. It's not just assembled here after the fact or just using fabric made in the US. And that's pretty cool. But does that actually stack up to quality? Let's find out. Let's take a look at all of this because I have put these clothes through everything, using it like actual workwear and just wearing it for fashion. Now, like I said, I've put this stuff through its paces and used it as workwear, used it for fashion, and oh my gosh, has this stuff held up. What I like about it is a lot of the details that look like they're just for fashion at first actually serve a purpose if you're using it as workwear. This is the Devium Draftsman's Twill Overshirt. It's a cotton twill canvas and it's built very robustly, very much like a duck canvas. Like first off, the button size. You have much bigger buttons than you normally would on a shirt like this, and it is a cool style, makes it feel very workwear fashion-wise, but then you have the benefit of you can actually use this when you're wearing work gloves. As you can see here, when I was changing my car tire, I had no problem with my work gloves on buttoning and unbuttoning this shirt. That's fantastic. And then it is a very robust cotton canvas here that feels a lot like your standard duck canvas pants. So this shirt is really bomb-proof. It will be great at holding up and has been thus far at holding up against scratches, scuffs, even light sparks. This is awesome for workwear. But then you get the benefit of the fashion aspect, right? Very clean cut on it, very clean design. You have more buttons than you usually do on a shirt like this, which really elongates the torso. Super helpful for my short kings out there, you know? So just great details. But then you have awesome button flaps on your pockets. You have a great thick collar. I mean, everything on this shirt is designed to just stand up to time. And that is kind of why they call it an overshirt. So you could use it as a light jacket, you could use it as a work shirt. Because the canvas is so thick, you're not gonna get a lot of breathability in summertime, so just keep that in mind. Also, it really doesn't matter because if you wanna wear something like this functionally, you're using it for protection against elements or briars, brush, whatever. And so you would rather have the thickness than the breathability in the situations where you wanna wear this. But this is super cool. Now the next piece I had him send over was this sidewalk pocket tee here, because if you call yourself an American made brand and you can't make a good t-shirt, you're really missing the boat. So I had to test this one out. And this thing is great. It's a nice mid-weight canvas. The pocket here is done really well. It has lots of great reinforcement and stitching on the pocket detail. It is a t-shirt, so there's not a lot to say about it, but it fits well, it seems well made, and it holds up to any sort of Carhartt work in progress shirt or anything like that. But again, it's 100% made in the USA, which is super cool. It's very comfortable. For me personally, I think with the t-shirts, everything else is very true to size, but I think if you like a looser fit with the t-shirt, then you should definitely go up a size because the t-shirts are a little bit less of a relaxed fit than what I personally like for t-shirts. I like my t-shirts t-shirts to be sort of really loose and breezy. But with all this stuff, what you're seeing is quality around every corner. There is not a stitch out of place. Everything is well done, whether it's a simple t-shirt, whether it's a really nice overshirt like this twill shirt, or this duck beanie. Now, this duck hunter beanie from Devium was actually a surprise hit for me, because I was like, oh cool, a wool beanie, I love those. But this thing is made fantastically. First off, it's merino wool instead of your regular lamb's wool, so it's a lot softer than something like a Filson beanie or that ilk. It's not the softest merino I've ever felt, but it's not itchy by any stretch of the imagination, which is fantastic for workwear. Now, the real coolness on this thing comes from this knit here. It is an extremely lofty knit, which you don't often see on beanies. Usually they are a tighter knit for warmth all the time, but this being a loftier knit, look at that. It traps so much heat when you're standing still because of that extra loft. But then what's great about it is, since it's not as tight of a knit as you usually have, but it's built for loft, when you start moving, it cools you off more. So your thermal regulation is out of this world. And you know, that's something I'm all about. Incredibly functional pieces. And I just love when companies think of that. But beyond that, you can see, even with this loose knit and having it for a few weeks, there's not a stitch out of place. They did such a good job with this. These hats are so easy to miss a stitch and have just strings looped out, or not be done correctly and just kind of fall apart pretty quickly. And this one has held up already very well compared to a lot of the others I've tried that have tried to do this. And that's usually why you get a tighter knit wool hat, because they want them to last longer. And this one has done a great job. I've been so surprised with this, if you can't tell. But yeah, Devium was a cool brand that reached out to me, standing behind their work, and wanted me to test it out. And I gotta say, I get why they stood behind it. They know they have a great quality product. They have a great quality product. They're giving jobs to people here in the US, and it just seems fantastic with everything I've tried. Now, next, I really want to try a pair of pants, because I got to know if they do the whole T to B. I want to make sure you're covered with good stuff all around. But so far, this stuff that I've tried has been awesome. Check it out. If you have anything else you want to know, leave it in the comments. And as always, I hope to see you out there. Bye.